Hello everybody, we're going to cook fried rice today, and here's our onions, garlic, onions, corned beef, and green peas, and also of course our rice. And let's cook. Here's our pan and a little bit of oil. And now let's saute the onions and garlic. This is a budget friendly fried rice. There's our corned beef. When I cook the corned beef, I also put a drizzle of Worcestershire sauce. I also added the green peas and a little bit of water. And I added tablespoon of soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons of water to cook the onions. And then I added the rice. Our rice is left over from last night, and it's better to cook it with fried rice. So I hope you like this budget fried rice, everyone, and enjoy your lunch. Here you go, guys. It's cooked. I also sprinkle a little bit of chili peppers to make it a little spicy, and a slice of lemon to squeeze before you eat, and enjoy your lunch. Thanks for watching.